boy Big Phil on their ice. Big Phil is on their ice, man. Y'all see how Philip coming? Y'all see how Philip Banks is coming? Y'all know he on the Folgers, man. Getting that engine bay together. Hey, man, and this one here, Big Phil, we went with some bulletproof material. I got that bulletproof material. Listen at it. This that bulletproof material. That's what that bullet mean. That's what that bullet mean, man. There's some bulletproof material, man. This the first one in the world with bulletproof material. And the only. Ain't nobody else got no bulletproof material in they car. Built a nice little console for the window switches. Of course we doing airlift. Of course I'm doing airlift. I can't have no truck this big and ain't got no air ride on it. Hell, I'm in the air. Nice box. If I'm in the air, I got the ride on air. I see that Chevrolet up there. We did, 4 6x9s back here in the back. I did one here and one there on each side. Got new trim. So you know I had to throw some LEDs in it. Next is the headliner. Boy, this thing need a headliner bad. Ain't no way in the hell I can ride around with that shit like that. Ain't no way. I need some suede up there. So yeah, man, I should have plenty of sound back here. I got a little amp up under that seat there. Little 600 watt amp. Waiting on all my little billet trim to come in from here. On that, the doors. I did get the doors wrapped. I got a pair of 6.5s up front. And a pair of tweeters on my door panel. I think I'm gonna put them, I said. I think so. If not, I'll put them on a pillow. But y'all find me another K5 with some bulletproof material. Seats in, mounting in. Get the copper handles. 2614s. My son talking about he want this one here. He say this the one he want. He don't want Rambo. He don't want Hillary. He don't want Flatline. He want this one here. This is the budget bill. He still ain't worked enough hours for this one yet. Yeah, we just keeping this one clean, man. We just keeping this one clean. Getting the engine built for it now. I got the heads for it. I got the heads for it. We got them 799s. They freshly done. Waiting on the 5.7 to get back. I wanted to supercharge this thing, but I think I'm gonna save it. Old school Dakota Digital. Man, what y'all think about Big Philip? AKA Bulletproof. Boy, you wait till this sucker here go get this lift on here. My grill, I think I'm gonna do an OG grill. Keep it OG up front. Yeah, man, that's that on that, man. Y'all lay around for Big Philip, man. Hit that notification bell, cause the next one, it might be running. I'll be back in a minute.